Hello, in front of me I've got Linyuvo controller. In this video I'll show you unboxing of this device. In the beginning, let's take a look at the top of the original box. Right here we can learn some specification of the controller. Firstly, we can learn that this controller has adjustment, dual motor vibration, turbo function, 6-axis gyroscope, and multicolor light ring. Also, this controller is wireless, but also can be connected to switch as stable controller. It's compatible with Nintendo Switch and Switch OLED. Take a look at the side. Here we can check supported platforms, package content. On the back we can learn more about the controller specification. Firstly, it has anti-friction thumbstick, advanced turbo mode, wake up function, LED indicator, multicolor RGB mode, Soma touch sensory 6-axis, adjustable dual shock, exclusive metal joystick, ergonomic design, programmable back buttons, wired and wireless, and multi-platform support. Now let's unbox this controller. First we have to remove this sticker. Now, once it's removed, we can open the box. Now, let's take the controller out of the box. You have to be careful because right here on the back you can find base, manual and cable, and here you can find the Joy-Cons. In the beginning, let's set it up. And it's done. Controller itself has classical Nintendo Switch layout with minus plus buttons, screenshot button, turbo button, which is new for the controller, and switch layout of D-pad and BA, Y, X buttons. On the back we can also find two programmable buttons, and thanks to these buttons we can remove the Joy-Cons. Also here we can find mode buttons, and that's it. On the bottom we can find two USB-C charging ports, because we can't charge the device from the charging case. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.